Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add presenter notes in Keynote on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Keynote app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Now select the presentation you want to work on. Next, go to the slide where you want to add notes. Next, tap on the three dot at the top right. Now tap on view options, then select presenter notes. A text box will appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap the text box and start typing your notes. You can write anything you need to remember while presenting. To add notes to another slide, simply tap that slide in the slide navigator and repeat the same steps. When you are ready to present, tap the play button at the top. Tap that, your presenter notes will appear on your phone screen while your audience only sees the slide. And that's it. We have successfully added presenter notes in the Keynote on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.